The world cannot even imagine what's going to happen. But we can at least have full faith in Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prediction that this Krishna Consciousness movement is going to spread all over the world, in every town and village. Let's have that implicit faith that the words of the Supreme Personality of Godhead can never go in vain. When He said that it's going to spread all over the world, in every town and village, it's going to happen.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,